Okay, at FoneFunShop, today we're going to show you how to unlock a Nokia 6300, and we're going to use BB5 box. You don't need a microscope for it because its test point's massive. It's so easy to do. So first thing we need to do is take the phone apart, because we need to get the phone's board to access the test point. So we'll start by doing that. Take the back off, take the battery out. There's two screws we need to undo. So it's a T6 drive. I've got electric one because I'm lazy. This one. That's two. Okay. Now that's that, we need to pop this front off. Okay. But first, make sure there's no memory card in, because that'll stop you opening it. So just take your memory card out. Put that there. Get your thumbnail, or you can use an opening tool and just run it up. They're really easy to do.
The problem is we get more trolley codes for the newer phones like that, but we cannot get US.
And your front pops off. This exposes another 4 T6 screws that you've got to take out. Now the threads are different on these, so keep in mind which screws go back where when you print it back together. You've got a really fine thread for the ones that come out of here compared to these 4.
We can do a K9.
So we'll whip these out.
That's always, we've got to change this website.
That's those 4 screws out. So now we just need to pop the board out, which comes out very easily. Turn it over. Now the test points are underneath this can, so just use your fingernail and pop that can off, and the test points are down to these 2 little dots here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some blue tack just to fix it, stop it moving around. We get his BB5 box. We need to first connect cable to the bottom of the phone. We need to connect positive power. Do it on the left hand side. And then the BSI line, which goes to the middle. They're connected. Last thing we need to connect is the earth, which on 6300s it'll earth perfectly well if you just connect it to this wiggly part of your vibrating motor. So that's all in place. These are your test point needles, which we'll need to use in a minute. Now cable I'm using don't have any buttons, so I'll show you how you need to set your software. So we'll launch software from a shortcut on his desktop. We go to settings, we put it on unlock delay 0.5 seconds, make sure 308 fields enabled, set factory defaults and test connection before, make sure they're all enabled. Go back to BB5. We need to turn the phone on. So at the top of the phone there's a little button which you press. You'll see 2 blue lights on a 6300, so you know it's turned on. Back onto your software, press unlock method 1. It's found the phone. It's just making a backup of the 308 field, which is what's needed in case there's any problems. Now it's asking me what type of flash chip I've got, ATB or ATD. This is actually written on your chip, and I can see that it's an ATD chip. It's written in letters. It's the last 3 letters there on that chip. So I'll go back on the software and select ATD and press OK. Now it's asking me to connect test points. You can hear that noise that's waiting for my test points to connect. I don't know if you can get this. So the green wire goes to the top one. The black wire to the bottom. That's failed. So what we need to do is right through 8 field back. That's the file there. It's better when things go wrong when you're making a video, because they're going to go wrong for you at some point, so at least you'll know what to do. So that's written back okay. So we press unlock method 1 again.
Got a mobile phone, I believe he's saved.
So we select ATD again, press OK. Test points are connected, and that's a successful unlock this time. Okay, it's another 6300 unlock using BB5 box without a microscope with FoneFunShop.co.uk. Thanks for watching.